On June 2018, I had the chance to travel to Arizona with a group of my friend. What's up, you students? Been a while, we have an adventure, right? I'm surprised this dude come. This dude right here. You feeling excited?
I'm bored, whatever, bro.
We're going to go find his airplane ticket. And, you know, Tim's being stupid in the train. You know what's the best thing about the airport? They have Starbucks. Look at this. I love my chai tea.
Right?
I thought you cut left and the cut right.
We're Asian and
Yeah,
not
you
to
cut
pay
right, play left. I did it the wrong way, so Kenny go first.
in the airport. That's what Asian do. One again, what we playing? We're playing spade. My hand look
I was just wondering.
bad and look okay.
Let me show you what we got here.
Nah, you can't look.
Think I can carry him. I got you, Fee.
Just landed in Arizona, about to get a luggage, get a rental car. Oh, dang, they let you hold all that?
They go to the bathroom. Let's go to the car.
That boy Danny's a real man. How was the flight? Adventure crew, first pump. How's the flight, guys?
Huh?
First pump, first pump. Adventure crew, first pump. First pump. Got all like it? Let's get going, guys. I don't know why, but that month seems to be really, really hot. Traveling with a group of friends is always exciting and fun. Is it a silliness or a stupidity? But whichever the reason is, we always trying to find and have fun just a little. It takes us some time to settle down in Arizona heat, but you know, we manage. We decided to explore Arizona just a little bit more. We went to the Antelope Canyon, hiking the Grand Canyon in 120-degree heat. Yes, 120 degrees. That's something you can never forget. Throughout my travel over the year, I always enjoy every moment from it, from good to bad. Life is a beautiful flower that I'm glad and incredibly lucky to be part of. I can never thought any of this would be possible. But hey, I did it. It's been an insane ride so far, and I cannot wait to show you guys what the future has in store.